Balik kada balita nationwide.
Kabrigada, walang pagdadalawang isip na ipinasight in contempt ng Blue Ribbon Committee si Curly Discaya matapos ang di mo na pagsisinungaling nito hinggil sa pag-absent ng kanyang asawa sa pagdinig. Sa sulat ni Sara, sinabi niyang hindi siya makakarating dahil may important meeting daw na naka-schedule ang kanilang kumpanya tungkol sa isyong kanilang kinakaharap at hindi niya ito mare-reschedule.
I would like to clarify with Senator Marcoleta if he raised an objection because I didn't quite get it.
No, I'm not raising any objection.
Thank you, Senator
Point of
Marcoleta.
inquiry.
So let's rule first on the motion, pending motion, before anybody else talks. No. So there's no objection. So Mr. Discaya, you are cited in contempt of this committee.
Sa kabilang banda mga kabrigada, matapos ang hindi pagdating ni Sara ay pinaisyuan na rin siya ng show cause order. Samantala, hindi na rin nakatakas pa at ipinasight in contempt na rin ng komite si dating District Engineer Henry Alcantara.
Mr. Chair, unacceptable, and therefore I will move, Mr. Chair, that we cite this person in contempt for lying before this committee, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion to cite in contempt of the committee Engineer Henry Alcantara. Any objection? Hearing none, you are cited for contempt. Thank you.
Parehong humiling ng Senate protection sina Sims Construction Trading Owner Manager Sally Santos at dating Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez at kapwa silang nabigyan nito.
Bagong-bago.
Ang bahaging ito ay hatid sa atin ng DriveMax Herbal Capsule. Lalaking angat, tumatagal.